Hello. Hi everybody. Today I would like to share the mini album for my friends who will be a second time grandma, and next month they expecting a baby girl. So I play with pink paper, and mostly of paper I use is from Margaret. I love that collection from Margaret from Baby Girl. Okay, so let's see what I did. That is the picture from her, butterfly from her. I fussy cutting, rose I made, flower I made by myself. That is spine. Back side have pocket with that two beautiful images from collection. Okay, let's see what is inside. On back of cover is a frame where they can put some exactly photos. Here is baby cam, and also it's other pocket. Okay, I can take off something I have to do on my nails. Okay, what I was thinking, I make line and they can write name, parents names, and weight and length, and what we do when baby is born. Okay, and here regular babies photos. Okay, okie dokie. My friends tell me her daughter, when she was small, she always on carnival was ladybug, so they call her ladybug in home. So I put ladybug everywhere. Okay, each page is, here is pocket with some photo mats, 6, and next to also inside the pocket is some photo mat. So baby is sleeping, the baby's room. Next, here is magnet, and they can add photo here. Also similar is on other side. Here baby is bathing, so many photo mats. Here baby is already crawling, so here is pocket with photo mat. Baby is standing and walking. So again, some photo mats. And last, the baby have 1 year, so we will celebrate, and here is a lot of balloons. It's ladies' bags, and also pocket here for some photos. So that is my new photo album for baby girl, which we just waiting for. Thank you very much to visit my channel. Your comment make me happy. So thank you again, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.